Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, where everyone is welcome. Today, we will be working on a grounding technique. Not just a grounding technique, but a guided meditation for anxiety. For everyone in the world goes through anxiety, and it is a mental challenge. Even if it's a good or bad anxiety, it can interrupt your daily task that you're trying to get out the way, or you're just overthinking, having bad thoughts, and you're just losing your mind. If that is happening to you, then you came to the right video. Click on my channel and subscribe, for I will be uploading more videos. Now, the first step that we're going to take is we're going to find somewhere nice and quiet, or you can go outside in your car, or you can be anywhere. But just make sure you know that it is best practice with headphones. Now, once you've found somewhere to relax at, you can sit up or lay down, doesn't matter. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and out. Focusing on your breathing, focusing on your breath. Deep breath in and out. Again and out. Releasing all that tension. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your muscles. You should be feeling this tingling feeling, which is the tingling feeling is a really good thing. If you are feeling that now, if not, just keep going, it's okay. And now, this feeling is a sign of your body's relaxing and your mind is relaxing. You're coming back to the ground. Take a deep breath in and out. Releasing all of that tension, releasing all the bad thoughts, releasing everything that's on your mind. Just let it flow through like the oxygen through your body. Absorb all the good energy that you're breathing in. And now go back to your normal breathing. I usually like to breathe in and out my nose until I am comfortable breathing in my nose and out my mouth, or I just continue with breathing in and out my mouth. It doesn't matter. You can mix it up as long as you're following your breath. Slowing down your breathing. Slow it down. Breathe normal. Now, while you are doing this, feel everything around you. Put your hands, but here. What are you sitting on? You feel the material that you're sitting on your butt? Do you feel the material on your feet? Do you feel everything in general? Just think. What are you feeling? While you're thinking about what you're feeling, take a deep breath in and out. Returning back to your normal breath. Now, with this grounding technique, if you're comfortable, you can open your eyes and see what's around you. Do you see the trees? Do you see the grass? Do you see the dresser? Do you see the TV? Do you see the kids playing in front of you? Then close your eyes gently again and make sure you feel your material that you're sitting on. Take a deep breath in and now focusing on your breath. Letting go with what's ever on your mind. Just let it go. This is nothing but good positive energy that you're taking in. Energy from the earth, energy from the universe. Let go of the bad and negative energy. Breathe in Now, let go of that overthinking that is causing your anxiety. Breathe in. And now slowly, taking your time, letting it go, letting it go. Now, I'm going to give you a moment to keep breathing. Breathe in slowly. And breathe out slowly. Don't try to control your breathing. I'm going to give you a moment. And in this moment that I'm giving you, practice your breathing. Focus on the breath. Coming in. Out. Slowly. That's it. Keep going. You're doing great. Don't let this ruin your day. Don't let this ruin your night. Don't let this ruin your blessing from the universe. Keep going. You're doing great. You're doing great. Keep going. Focus. Just focus. Now, you should feel that your body and your mind is relaxed. Now that you got this feeling, take a deep breath in, tensing all your muscles up, and out. Releasing all that tension in your body. Again. Now that you are grounded and that you are relaxed, you can continue your day, your night, or whatever you're doing without any distractions. This technique is just not used for anxiety. It can be used for anything else. It can be used for just focusing, increasing your focus and your memory for any upcoming assignments or exams you got coming up. Now, take another deep breath in and out. And when you are ready, open your eyes, wiggle your feet, wiggle your hand. Thank you for coming to my channel, for I will be releasing more videos, for I go through a lot just like you.